Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Cleanse your face with the kit cleanser using warm water so pores open. This boosts absorption. Once done, pat skin dry but remains slightly damp. Take 2-3 drops of beard oil on your fingertips and spread evenly. You should massage the oil into the skin under the hair for 30 to 45 seconds to stimulate follicles and hydrate. Make sure to cover the jawline and mustache area. This first application sets the tone for consistent growth. You continue with the kit by adding mechanical stimulation and a strict daily routine. Twice a week, use the microneedle roller for 1 to 2 minutes with gentle pressure. This increases product penetration and collagen response. After rolling, apply the growth serum and let it absorb for 3 to 5 minutes before adding any moisturizer. Each day, comb and brush to distribute oils and boost circulation. Take weekly progress photos under the same lighting so you can measure changes and stay motivated. You finish by locking in results and knowing what to do if problems appear. Maintain tools. Sanitize the roller and replace cartridges after 7 to 10 uses so bacteria stay away. If you notice redness or excessive irritation, stop all active treatments for 48 hours, switch to a gentle soothing balm, and consult the kit directions. If severe, see a professional. Finally, if dryness becomes an issue, reduce application frequency to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.